Sino ba nagsabi nga si Kristo ay nagtayo ng iglesia or church? The word ecclesia, that is the sweet words of Satan. The minister of Satan, masquerades of righteousness, they are proving that Jesus Christ built a church or ecclesia. That is wrong. Jesus Christ did not speak. In reality, Satan, masquerade of angels of light, talking in behalf of Jesus Christ. That is reality, my friend. Now you know the truth, and the truth will set you free. A long time ago, they said that Jesus Christ, the founder of the iglesia or church. That is wrong. They inculcate the mind of the people around the world. They make a fool. Don't be fool. And they make money, a lot of money out of you. Now you know the truth, that Jesus Christ make a group of people. They call it apostle. They don't call it iglesia or church. That is reality, my friend. Thank you very much.